Warning, the following video contains shit.
41 songs in 41 days, day number 9, a shit song. Literally. This one's got a footprint in it. Let me just explain to you what I'm getting at. I think that when you decide to get a dog, you are agreeing to certain responsibilities. I love my dog to bits, and for me to not honour the most basic of responsibilities that I have as a dog owner suggests that I'm letting down my best friend. So that's the general idea that I'm going for with this song today. So let's get cracking. While I was out last night, I had a couple of ideas that could work with a song, so I made little voice memos, and I've just basically spent some time putting it to paper, and now I'm going to pick up a guitar and I'm going to try and find something. I've got an idea of something that I want to write in my head. I'm going to give it a try and see. This thing I jam around with sometimes, that kind of goes, it's just using this root and thirds idea that I'm a really big fan of, and I was hearing this thing in my mind earlier that was kind of like like it gets to the chord and then does it back into the chord. So it's basically an E minor to a C chord. It doesn't always work like this, but I like to try and find a destination that I'm building towards. Okay, so let's have a bit of fun with it. I ain't in tune at all. Let's tune this thing up. I'm definitely going to talk about this guitar in one of these videos. Sometimes it's good to write a song about shit on a piece of shit. I actually don't really want to call this a piece of shit because I genuinely really like this guitar, but I'll come to that in another video. This thing kind of works, and that could actually become the verse. What I'm trying to work on now is the chorus, and then it's going to open up for the chorus and become quite big. One chord, go into the 2 chords, so A minor, so it's got that kind of rising feel. Dun, dun. Then I'm on about going this walk up to C, and then we're a D. So quite a simple thing. Pick it up and throw it away. You shouldn't let down your mate. I like the idea of it starting with the line pick it up and throw it away, because that's the point, and I want it to end with pick it up and throw it away. I think I've got a chorus. Pick it up and throw it away. You're letting down your best mate. You're in love, or so you say, giving all of us a bad name. Did you forget that promise you made? You're letting down your best mate. So pick it up and throw it away. Pick it up and throw it away. So let's start working on some verses. I just kind of want that looped up whilst I try and write something, so I'm actually going to just loop it up. Standing in it again, the thing you left behind. So I'm thinking of trying to describe the situation first, and I think the thing that everyone can relate to in this, even though I'm not sure I'm going to specifically say that this is a song about shit. So I've got first line, standing in it again, the thing you've left behind, and then it's someone else's problem now and you never pay the price. Standing in it again, the thing you've left behind, someone else's problem now, you never pay the price. I think I need 2 more parts like that, so if you think about it, that's 4 lines. I need another 4 lines for the next verse. Then I'm thinking it needs to go into another verse, so that's another 4 lines. So all I need now is 8 lines. It's your problem now. You're letting down your best friend. You're letting them down. Just been thinking about like having a bridge section. I'm thinking of having it changed to A minor, so it's like, I don't care that we're tied with the same brush. I just don't like that you don't care enough to do the things it's supposed to do, like pick it up and throw it away. It's see, that leads in, so I think that could be right. So let me just write that down. So I think I've got something to work with there. Let's start putting this thing together. Okay, so I've just made a guide track. Drums are mapped out now. I'm going to try and do the bass line. And I'm going to try and do it as fewer takes as I can. But I know me, and I'll probably do far too many. Bass line is done, I would say. That's cool. Now, on to recording the guitar. Okay, vocal time. There's a promise that you have made, but you don't think twice. Okay, just some harmonies to add now, and this song's done.
Day 9 song, done. It's a shit song. Part of me right now is kind of wishing I'd have made it a little bit angrier, but I'm really happy with the results. Check out the song, it's on the screen now. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you tomorrow.